Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we have another exciting project to show you. This time it's a gardening project. As you know, if you already subscribe to our channel, we cover property maintenance and gardening services contents. So today is a gardening project. We have to mow the grass, we have to also trim some edges. Even this small tree has to be trimmed in circle, give it a circle shape. And we also need to remove some weeds at the very end of the garden on the slabs. I'll show you that shortly. So this is what needs to be done. If you are new to our channel, remember to subscribe, give us a like, and also share the video with those who are interested with a project like this one. So I also want to show you at the rear garden how this look like. So if you have a closer look on the knee of the edges, this is how we have to remove all these weeds, cut it. And also at the rear garden we have to remove on the slabs and the weeds that are on the joints. So these are the scope of the project. With no further ado, let's get started. Hello guys, the project is coming to its end. It's now completed. I hope you enjoy watching it. It was a nice gardening project. We have to mow the grass, we have to trim the edges, we have also to trim a small tree. I hope you enjoy watching it. We cover property maintenance and gardening services contents. So to support the channel, you can subscribe, you can give us a like, you can also share the video with those who are interested with projects like this one. Hit the notification button so you won't miss any of our new videos. So thanks again for watching, and see you for the next one. Thanks, bye.